Welcome to this training session on operational plans and variation negotiation. In this session, we will learn how variations can occur in operational plans, what types of variations exist, and how to manage and report them effectively to minimize disruption and keep projects on track. Operational plans and variations. Operational plans are created with clear expectations, but in reality, what is planned and what actually happens are often not the same. These differences are known as variations. Variations can arise from many sources. They may come from issues with resources, unexpected supplier delays, changes in processes, or even external conditions such as sudden economic shifts or new regulations. The key to effective management is timely identification. The earlier managers detect a variation, the quicker they can adjust plans, control costs, and minimize negative impacts. Think of it like sailing a boat. If the wind suddenly changes direction, the captain must adjust the sails immediately. Delay the adjustment, and the boat drifts off course. The same is true with operational plans. Types of variations. Variations usually fall into four main categories: materials, prices, labor, and overhead costs. Material variations occur when the quality, usage, or quantity of materials differs from what was planned. This might be due to low-quality supplies, faulty instruments, poor workmanship, or even theft of materials or information. For example, if a builder ordered premium wood but receives cheaper substitutes, the project suffers both in quality and cost. Price variations result from changes in supplier pricing or when switching suppliers. For instance, if a supplier raises steel prices unexpectedly, the budget must be adjusted or alternative sources considered. Labor variations arise when extra time is needed to deliver a service, when salaries increase, or when overtime becomes necessary. Imagine a catering company where staff are required to work longer hours during an unexpected surge in demand. Labor costs increase beyond projections. Overhead variations occur due to rework, waste, or poor methods. This might include higher electricity usage, excess consumables, or inefficiency caused by low craftsmanship. For example, in a manufacturing line, poorly trained staff may cause more reworks, raising overhead costs significantly. Reporting variations. Whenever variations occur, they must be reported and documented. Reporting ensures transparency, accountability, and informed decision-making. Variation reports should be submitted to three key groups. First, to the teams or groups directly affected by the change. Second, to the individuals with authority to make decisions and recommend changes in policy. And third, to the immediate supervisors in the chain of command. The report should clearly diagnose the nature of the variance, list the reasons behind it, and recommend corrective action. For example, if supplier prices rise, the report may recommend negotiating with an alternative supplier or reducing non-essential costs elsewhere. By sharing these reports with management and all affected stakeholders, the organization ensures that everyone understands the variation, its causes, and the proposed path forward. Thank you for completing this session on operational plans and variation negotiation. We have seen that variations are not failures, but natural occurrences in the life of an operational plan. By understanding the different types, whether material, price, labor, or overhead, and by reporting them accurately and promptly, managers can control costs, adapt to challenges, and keep operations running smoothly. The key message is simple: detect variations early, report them clearly, and act on them quickly. With this approach, variations become opportunities for learning and improvement rather than obstacles to success.